How to install Live 360 app on Android. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can install Live 360 app on Android. For this, you want to open Play Store on your device and make sure to sign into your Gmail account. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the search bar. Here you want to search for Live 360. Out of the search results, you want to tap on this application right here. Now if you want to get more information on this, tap on about this app option, and here it says that Live 360 simplifies family safety so that you can live life more fully. You can also get more information from there. If you want to install this application, go ahead and tap on the install button. Depending on the speed of your internet, it will take some time for the application to be downloaded on your device. Once it has been downloaded, it will be automatically installed on your device. All you have to do now is tap on the open option. Then you can log into your account by entering all of the credentials. If you do not have an account, you can create one as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.